Welcome back. In this video we will discuss about programs. A program is a group of related projects, subprograms and program activities managed in a coordinated way to obtain benefits not available from managing them individually. Again, I'll repeat. It's a group of related projects, subprograms and program activities managed in a coordinated way to obtain benefits not available from managing them individually. So if you take a large project like a metro rail program, all the civil works can be grouped as considered as a sub project, or can be considered as a project or as a sub program. Similarly, the mechanical work of the project can be treated as another sub program, and electrical work another sub program, and we have to integrate all these things towards the end. So for ease of management, we can for better effectiveness, if we do all these things together as a program, then the collective effect will be much better than doing them one after the other. This we see in IT industry as well. Now let us say a company has to release a software product. So now we will have a testing team, a development team developing the whole thing, and then we'll have testing teams, quality assurance teams assuring the quality of it, the marketing teams working on the marketing part of it. So all these things can be treated as separate projects, all contributing to the program of delivering that software product. So that gives us more value than doing them one after the other. In my country, the biggest problem we are facing is lack of program management. So if I compare the projects we are doing here with elsewhere in the world, project to project comparison, we are much better when it comes to quality and scale. At the same time, the program management is absolutely in shambles, because we will construct an electronic city in one part of the city, and then we think about a new airport in the other part of the city, and then once these two things are done, then we think about laying better roads. So if all these things can be done parallelly, the collective effort would have been better. So is the case with the government department. Concerned government department comes and lays beautiful roads, and within no time the telecom company comes and digs those roads. So this is a sheer absence of program management. With a better implementation of program management, these things we could have avoided. Again, a program is a collection of interrelated projects done together, and when done together provides more value, and it is managed by program managers. They monitor the progress of the program components. Project managers and other program staff report to the program manager. To summarize, a program is a collection of interrelated projects which, when done together, gives us more value than doing them one after the other. A program is typically managed by the program manager, and multiple project managers report into the project managers along with other program staff. I hope the concept of a program is clear to you, and in the next video we will talk about portfolio management. Thank you.